This is problem 7 from the AMATYC Student Math League contest from spring 2015. Question says, in the equation a divided by ma equals decimal point tyc, different letters are replaced by different digits 1 to 9, and identical letters are replaced by identical digits 1 to 9. We want to find a plus t. So general strategy here generally is we're going to be able to figure out what a, m, t, y, and c all are, and we just have to find a plus t. So what we're going to do here, really, I view these kinds of questions as you're doing a search process. So what I've got, a divided by ma, that's a divided by ma. Now this is not m times a, m is in the tens place. So really as a sort of algebraic expression, I'm going to write this as it's a over, m is in the tens place, so that's really 10 times m plus a. And then we can use sort of algebra to attack this. This is supposed to be some decimal point, really, like 0.tyc. So it's some decimal here. Let's clean that up a little. tyc. Okay, so what I'm going to do to attack this, I'm going to go use my calculator and try and put in something like a over 10m plus a. So what I'm going to do, quit out of this from a previous question, move this over here, and go to y equals, I'm going to let a be x because it shows up twice. I'm going to do x divided by, now I don't know what m is, but I'm just going to try m equals 1, and then I can try m equals 2 and m equals 3. I know there's only 9 possibilities, so I can kind of deal with that. So then I can divide by 10 plus x, and I just want to check, are there any values of x here that will give me a 3-digit decimal here, or decimal with 3 digits. So I do that, I hit enter, and I'm going to use the table. So I can do second table set, really, start at 0. We can start at 1 because x is 1 through 9. And use second table, and this gives me x is 1, I get this, x is 2, I get this, more than 3 digits. I can scan down here really quick, and I see at x equals 6, I get 0.375. So x is a, so I'm doing a, looks like it's 6. Now we chose m is 1, and then t was 3, y was 7, c was 5. So we got kind of lucky. This worked out right away. A plus t, that's 6 plus 3. So our answer is 9 here. So really we're sort of done. The strategy here, I mean, we worked out with m equals 1. That was fortunate. We could have sort of scrolled down, gone to 8 and 9. And then the next thing I was going to do was go to y equals, change this 10 to a 20. And I go back to the table. Now notice it's the bottom. I get a 0.2. That would almost work, but I'd have to have 2, 0, 0. Y and c would have to be the same, but it says different letters are replaced by different digits. Also, they'd be zeros, which can't count anyway. I can check 1 and 2. Those don't work. Then I can go back to y equals and check 30 here. Go to the table, and I can see, let's see, none of these work as well. Whoops, 7, 8, 9. And you just kind of keep going through and you go back to y equals, change to 40, and then 50, up to 90. So you've got 9 things to check. Won't take too long to do. I can just kind of do a quick search here.